Hey crypto fans, welcome to the channel. Want to send your crypto from Binance to RedotPay? Whether it's USDT or Bitcoin, moving funds to your RedotPay card for daily spending is quick and secure. So let us begin. Open the RedotPay app or go to the redotpay.com where I am now. Log in and tap deposit in the wallet section. Select your crypto and choose a network like TRC20 or ERC20. Copy the deposit address to save your QR code. Ensure your RedotPay account is KYC verified, or deposits may fail. For the fastest transfer, open the RedotPay app, tap Deposit, select your crypto, and choose Binance Pay as the method. Enter the amount, minimum 1 USDT, then switch to the Binance app to confirm the payments via Binance Pay. Expect a 1% Binance Pay fee and 1% mini program fee, so $100 costs $102. Funds arrive in seconds, but USDs deposited this way can't be withdrawn, only spent. Alternatively, you can use the Binance app and there go to Wallets Spot Withdraw and do the procedure there. Double check for address and network. Wrong ones lose funds. Do not mess this up, guys. So that's pretty much it. Any questions, drop them below. And of course, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you next time.